The ray of light is entering from air into medium of water having absolute refractive index. So here refractive index, right, that is of water is given NW is equal to 1.33. If an angle of refraction of light, so that is theta 2, 17 degree 30 minute, then what will be the angle of incident at surface with separating two medium? So here we have to find theta 1, right? So formula for that, applying Snell's law at the point of refraction and air, sin theta 1 is equal to n w sin theta 2. So n air, that is 1, refractive index of air is 1, so 1 into sin theta 1 that we have to find is equal to nw 1.33 into sin 17.30, so that is 0.2974, that into 1.33, so that is 0. So sin theta 1 is equal to 0.3955. So theta 1 is equal to sin inverse of that value. So sin inverse of 0.3955, so sin inverse of that answer, that is 23 degree, right, 0.29 minute. So we can also we have to write this as 23.29 degree, 23.29 degree, right, like that, 23 degree and 29 minute. Now second question, the light is entering from glass into water having refractive index relative to glass is 0.9. So refractive index, right, from glass into water having relative to glass, so that is 0.9. So it is relative refractive index. If the value of angle of incident at surface with separating two medium, so theta 2, 26 degree 30 minute, then find the value of angle of refraction at the surface, take this value, so we have that value, right? So angle of incident at surface with separating two mediums, so that is angle of incidence, so rather I have to write here theta 1, right? So theta 1 is equal to 26 degree 30 minute, and we have to find angle of refraction now, right? So formula for that, n1 is n1 sin theta 1 is equal to n2 sin theta 2. Now this 0.9 is nothing but n2 upon n1. So now sin theta 1 is equal to n2 upon n1 sin theta 2, and sin theta 2 that we have to find, that is angle of refraction. So n2 upon n1 is 0.9, and theta 1 sin theta 1, so sin 26.30, that is 0.443, right? So 0.4430, n2 upon n1 is 0.9 into sin theta 2. So this upon 0.9, because 0.9 goes to left hand side in denominator, so sin theta 2 is equal to 0.4923. So theta 2 is equal to sin inverse of that, so sin inverse of 0.4923, so that is 29.49. So that is our answer, again 29 degree 49 minute. Now third question, an object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens having focal length, convex lens, so focal length is positive, so 10 centimeter, the distance of an object from the lens is 15 centimeter. So u is equal to minus 15. Find the position of an image. So v that we have to find. So formula for that, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon v that we have to subject. So 1 upon v, 1 upon f plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f is 10 minus 1 upon 15. So now v is equal to minus 150 upon minus 5. So minus minus positive. So 5 30s. So 30 centimeter is our image distance. So that is the position of an image, and it is plus. That means we are getting our image which is the right hand side of the lens, right?